The process of using nanotechnologies in dent removal. Preparation. The first step involves cleaning the vehicle's surface with nanocloths to remove any dirt or contaminants. This is essential for ensuring that the dent removal process is effective and that the vehicle's paint is not damaged. Assessment. The technician assesses the dent, evaluating its size, depth, and location. This assessment determines the best approach for using nanotechnology in the repair process. Application of nanomaterials. Depending on the dent's characteristics, various nanomaterials can be applied. For shallow dents, nanogels or sprays with self-healing properties might be used. These materials can fill in minor imperfections and gradually return the surface to its original state. Utilization of nanocloths. The nanocloths come into play during the final stages of the repair. They are used to gently polish and buff the area, ensuring a smooth and even surface. Their fine fibers can also help in removing any residual nanomaterials and ensuring a high-quality finish. Inspection and finishing touches. After the dent removal process, the vehicle is inspected to ensure that the repair meets the desired standards. Any final adjustments are made using nanocloths and other nanotechnology tools to ensure that the finish is flawless.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content.